Hi guys, it's me again. This is set 4. Put help me on up down jump away from your off your. Number 1, put on your hat, said Mom. Number 2, they can help you. Number 3, look at me, said Tom. Number 4, help me to play. Number 5, the bug can go up and down. Number 6, they like to sit down. Number 7, I can jump and go to bed. Go on the bed. Jump on the bed. Number 8. Number 8, go away, said Sam. Number 10, number 9, we can see a lot of cops. Number 10, is she your mom? Let's see.